Hi there everyone, today we got Hisense Infinity E30 Lite. We're going to replace a LCD unit. We're going to open first this is the back cover. It's very easy to remove it, same thing like the normal phones. There is that, and then there are screws 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 screws. All of them, they're gonna come out. So I'm gonna open the screws. I'm gonna pause the video here for you not to waste the time. I'm gonna open all the screws. Once all the screws are open, now you can see that it must have locks. As you can see, these gaps, these are locks. So take a tweezer or anything that you're comfortable with it. My LCD is broken, so I'm not that worried that it can pierce through, but if you're doing the other repairs, you must be careful. They mustn't push things too hard. There must be ringer here somewhere. It's already built in the cover. Obviously, if you have memory card and SIM cards, you can remove that before you open it. And I have the other LCD. It looks like that this must be, and there should be. This is your camera, and this must be your touch connector. It looks like that. So we can only remove that because we need to replace the LCD only. We're not gonna touch anything else to create any unnecessary hassle. And there's the LCD, replacement LCD. We'll see where the strip is coming out. So this is your main LCD connector strip. We'll open that as well. You can remove this connector. Now we're going to remove this sticker. We have to heat up a little bit. I'm going to use my hot air station, or I'm using my normal hair dryer. So I'm gonna remove this sticker, heat it up a bit. Just a little bit normal heat, so this can loosen up the adhesive of the sticker and the LCD as well on this side. Just heat up a bit. Put your tweezer anywhere in the corner, lift it up a little bit, gently remove it. And paste it on a side. We can put it later on once we are done with the repair. Pull off this strip. Now we come to this side. Just insert your any tool where it can go easily in there. Mine is broken, and it's a bit hot also. You can use hot plate also. I don't have it available at the moment, that's why I heat it up. Clean this excess glass. Let me just quickly clean it. I'm gonna pause here so not to waste your time. It is cleaned, but when I try to insert this from the front, the board is blocking it. So for us to test it, we need to remove the board. There is a aerial connector. Just remove it with care. Don't pull it out. This is supposed to be telling that if it was water damage or not, or moisture damage. There is some moisture here, that's why it is red. There is one screw here, one screw here. The board will come out, and this flexi is for your charging section. So we need to remove that as well for us to release the board. And where is this leading us? That's front camera. We're not gonna remove that. We just remove these two screws. So we can release the board. So this is how the board is going to come. Now we can put the LCD to test it. The touch is going from top. I'm gonna put the board back and test it. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna stop it, pause the video again. So now I did put the LCD and everything back to test it. There is a pin number. Obviously we can't go more than that, but we can check. The LCD seems to be working alright. Touch is working okay. Emergency 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'm not gonna test it while I'm closing it back. I'll show you how to close it, but then I'm not gonna test it. So everything is working. I'm just gonna close it from the scratch to show you how it is closed. So now we're going to install the LCD back. First we're going to put the glue, B7000, just onto the edges, not too much. Once the glue is nicely onto the edges, insert this, your touch strip from top and this main LCD from that bottom entrance. Don't push too much because we're gonna put rubbers later on, or some mechanism to hold the board properly. I showed you already it was working, so I'm not gonna show you again. The battery is very low of this phone. Insert this touch strip into its connector, touch connector. White line guides you how far to push it, and close it. Put this thing back to cover it. Check the camera position is right. Then now we're going to put these two screws back. These are important, don't forget them, because if the board is not touching proper, your power button and volume button won't work. And you might think your phone is not on, but while it's not touching it here, then don't forget to put the aerial connector back. That is important for your network. There was this thing, cushion thing on top of it. My LCD was damaged, so I couldn't take out this one for the cameras front. One came out, one didn't come out. The one that I was changing from. Put it there back. If it sticks, it's fine. If it doesn't stick, then don't bother. Now we're going to connect this bottom strip for the charging and ringer and other vibration and this and that. Once it is in, close it. This is your main LCD flexi that goes into this connector. Now we can put back just to align it, a little bit pressing, not too much. Now we can put this sticker back. I'm going to put this back. Please subscribe my channel, share this video. Now we can put all the screws back. If it is a little bit not closing, just see that where it is getting stuck. Maybe sometime, you know, when we are closing, the things are not aligned well and you don't want to push and break something else. Looks alright. You can hear the clicking sounds. That means it's fitting perfectly. Now we'll put all the screws back, close it. This is how we replace the LCD on Hisense Infinity E30 Lite. Until next time, goodbye, take care.